Look what came in the mail today, guys. Fucking hot muffs. Let's fucking open these bitches up. Danmotos. XG-1s. For the 2003 Kawasaki Z1000. Kawi Crew. God, they fucking wrapped the shit out of these, didn't they? What is this? Warning, this product is intended to be used only in racing vehicles on closed courses and not for road vehicles or otherwise subject to emission control requirements. Blah, blah, blah. That means loud as fuck. Ooh, motherfucking fuck yeah. 2 of these bitches. 1 on each side. Fucking oh, it's gonna look tits, guys. Woo, woo. Got the old Danmoto logo up there. Real nice. Hit this shit with some fucking Mother's Mag. Fucking shine it up real good. Alright guys, here's one side all done. I did have to bust out the Dremel and do a little work to get these connecting parts to fit. The diameter was the same size, so I had to cut a little flap in there like that and then bend it to get it to fit in the one side here. But got this one all on, and we'll go ahead and do the other side. It should be real easy. We'll get it done and fire it up so you guys can hear it. Got them all installed. They look pretty fucking badass. I like that brawler look to them. But installing went pretty easy. Fit right up. No problems, just a little bit of Dremel work and a little bit of elbow grease. But let's go ahead and fire it up. Alright guys, we'll do a standard test with the stock muffler so you can see what that sounds like. Alright, you guys ready to hear these? Let's fire it. Holy fuck. Those are so fucking loud. That is fucking ridiculous. You guys, I don't even know how the mic picked that up, but that is like so fucking loud. I feel bad for my neighbors. Oh god. I don't know if I can keep these things. Well, we'll go for a test ride with them in a little bit here after I clean all this shit up and see what it sounds like on the road. I mean, they're so fucking loud, I don't even know if you guys will be able to hear me fucking talk. So we'll go do like a ride around town and then a highway test and oh fuck, see what it sounds like. Alright guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, let's give these fucking bitches a sound test. Go for a ride. Fuck, those are loud. I can barely hear myself fucking talk. So I don't know how this will sound to you guys. I feel it in my fucking brain. God, these bitches got some fucking bark to them. Oh, fuck. I never thought I would use the words over over the top and muffs in one word, but these bitches are fucking Sylvesters alone. Over the fucking top! That dude did not look fucking happy one goddamn bit. Pretty fucking loud though. Let's get them fucking screaming on the highway. Oh man, these are fucking over the top. Muffs too over the top. Don't get Danmoto. If you're looking for loud as fuck mufflers, Danmoto XG-1 fucking sold. But yesterday batteries died when I was out doing that muffler test, so we'll continue on. Yup, still fucking loud as shit. Yeah, these things are fucking goddamn loud. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Just a purring. Gotta close my helmet just so I can hear myself. But I definitely like the looks, the brawler style. It just looks fucking mean as hell. Pretty fucking ridiculous. It just got like a crazy fucking growl bite sound to it. I showed him to the girlfriend yesterday and gave her a fucking rev and she literally jumped. Like she was watching me, so she expected it. She's like, I did not expect it to sound like that. That's not obnoxious. That's just badass. Oh fuck. I'm so caught up in the muffs, I fucking missed my turn. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review and sound of the new muffs I got on here, the Danmoto XG-1s. Great price if you're looking for some loud ass fucking mean sounding muffs. Definitely worth checking into if you guys like how this sounds. Probably sounds similar or maybe even better on whatever you're riding. And for the price, can't really beat them. So thanks for watching guys. Peace out.